Okay, all of you have turned your book to page number 155. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. We are going to learn about the poem Trees. Okay, how does trees help you, children? How does tree help us? I want you all to unmute yourself and answer. Do not mute yourself and sit idle. I never know whether you understood or no. Okay, so please unmute yourself and answer.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma. How do trees help us?
Good morning, ma'am. Tree will help us by giving shade, ma'am.
Very good. Trees give us shade. Then what else do trees give us?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes,
Tree will give us
Sabrish.
fruit. Tree give us fruits, ma'am. To eat, ma'am.
Very good. Trees give us fruits to eat. It gives us beautiful flowers. It gives us shade. It also cleans the air. How do trees clean the air? They take in carbon dioxide for the leaves to prepare food for the plant. It needs carbon dioxide. Okay, carbon dioxide is the gas that we leave out. When we take in air, we take in oxygen. When we give out air, that is called as carbon dioxide. Okay, so the trees, what do the trees or the leaves of the trees do? They take in this carbon dioxide and give out oxygen. Okay, this way the trees also help in cleaning the air. Okay, now let us read the poem Trees. Okay, this poem is taken from Karadi Rhymes. Okay, you can see that it is taken from Karadi Rhymes. Okay, now, yes. Okay, now I want you to place your finger on the poem. Okay, as I read, please follow what I'm reading. Neem, people, banyan, coconut, mango, banana, tamarind, gulmohar, eucalyptus, ashoka. These are all different kinds of trees, right? Some of the trees give us fruits. Some trees give us beautiful flowers. Some trees give us medicines also. Okay, so trees which give us medicine are neem and eucalyptus, and then banana. I'm sorry, not yeah, banana and mango. It gives us fruits. Gulmohar plant gives us, Gulmohar tree gives us beautiful bright flowers. Okay, trees short, trees tall, trees large, trees small. Trees are home for birds and bees. Trees dance and sway in the trees. Okay, so if you see, are all the trees in the same height? Do they all look the same? No, right? Some trees are really tall, some trees are short, some trees are huge, some trees are very thin. Coconut tree, I'm sorry, the coconut tree's trunk, if you see, it is very thin, right? It is thin and tall,
Yes,
but whereas banyan tree's trunk is really huge. Okay, so the trees vary in their size and length. Okay, and trees are also home for birds and bees. Okay, where do birds live? They live on trees, right? They make their own nests on the tree and they live there. So trees also not only give us shade or food, they also are homes to many animals. Okay, trees lush, trees bare. What do you mean by lush? Lush means it is full of leaves. Okay, lush means it is full of leaves. Trees bare, because some trees do not have that much of leaves. Okay, trees cool and clean the air. Plant trees everywhere, for trees are precious friends rare. Okay, so here what do we learn? Trees are cool. When you usually, whenever it is really hot and you sit under the tree, you also get cool breeze, right? Okay,
Yes.
yes. Okay, and then you need, what should you do? These days you see many of them, they're just cutting down all the plants or all the trees and they're building buildings, right? They're making new buildings. So what's happening? The climate also is becoming really hot and humid, right? Because there are no trees, because of which it is becoming very hot. So what should you do? You need to plant trees everywhere. Okay, why? Because trees are precious and they are our friends, right? Yes or no? They help us. Probably our friends, when we ask them to give us something, that time they will give us. But then trees are things which will help us even without asking. They give us flowers, they give us food.
Yes,
They are the
ma'am.
homes for birds and insects, right? Yes or no,
Yes,
children?
ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So did you all understand this poem?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. It's a very simple poem. You have in the first paragraph, you have the different types of trees that are there. Okay. They have named. You have flower bearing trees. You have trees which gives us fruits, trees which also gives us medicines. Okay. And or not all the trees are the same. You have different trees which are either tall or short or really huge. Okay. And then how do trees help us? Trees help us by cleaning the air. How do they clean the air? They take in the carbon dioxide and gives out oxygen. Oxygen is a vital gas that we need in order to live. Okay, we need to breathe in oxygen, right? If you do not have uh, enough oxygen, we will not be able to live. Okay, so trees helps us in cleaning the air. Okay, and here we'll read the poem once again. Okay, for your final exam, remember you will get, I will tell you, you need to by heart 2 poems. Out of those 2, any one will come for your final exam. Okay, and with this poem, we complete our English portions. Okay, I will be sending you the notes for the poem trees as well as the previous lesson, who's blessed. Okay, I want you to complete everything. And from next week onwards, we will start with a grammar revision. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. Now just follow what I'm reading, and then we will do the exercises given behind. Okay. Poem trees. Neem, people, banyan, coconut, mango, banana, tamarind, gulmohar, eucalyptus, ashoka. Trees short, trees tall. Trees large, trees small. Trees are home for birds and bees. Trees dance and sway in the breeze. Trees lush, trees bare. Trees cool and clean the air. Plant trees everywhere, for trees are precious, friends rare. Okay, it's a very simple poem. It tells us how important the trees are in our lives. Okay, now here we have new words given here. You have lush. Lush means growing thickly and strongly. Sway, moving. When the wind blows, you can see that the trees also move, right? They sway. Okay, doesn't mean that they're moving from one place to another. It means that they're just moving in their own places. Okay, that is called as swaying. And then precious, precious means valuable. Okay, yes. Okay, now turn your book to page number 156. Okay, page number 156. Let us understand, answer these questions orally. Name the kinds of trees mentioned in the poem. What are the different trees that are mentioned in the poem?
Neem, people, banyan, coconut, mango, banana, tamarind, gulmohar,
Eucalyptus. Okay, very good, Nakul. Okay, the trees that are mentioned in the poem are neem, people, banyan, coconut, mango, banana, tamarind, gulmohar, eucalyptus, and ashoka. These are the few trees that are mentioned in the poem. Name 2 fruit-bearing trees mentioned here. Which are the 2 fruit-bearing trees?
Banana, ma'am.
Very good. Mango and banana. Okay, I'll be giving you the notes for all this, so you needn't have to write down in your book now. Okay. Third one, which is the tree which gives bright red flowers?
Gulmohar, ma'am.
Very good. Gulmohar tree gives us bright red flowers. To whom are the trees friends? Trees are friends of whom?
Bird.
Trees are friends to all of us, right?
Yes.
Yes, trees are friends
Yes,
with all of us. Trees will not, I will not be your friend or I will not be your friend. I'll be only her friend. No, trees are friends to all of us. Okay. How do trees clean the air? How do trees clean the air?
It will take the oxygen and give the
No. Okay, it takes in carbon dioxide and gives out oxygen. Okay, the breathe that when we exhale air, okay, when we exhale air, which means when we do that, we're taking in air. When you breathe out, you're leaving out carbon dioxide. Okay, so this air is taken by the leaves of the plants and then they give out oxygen, which helps to clean the air. Okay. Correct. Now, next one, who second main answer these questions orally. Who should grow trees? Who should grow trees? Yes, people, all of us. Okay, we should grow trees. We should not cut down trees. Okay. What are the ways in which trees help us?
grow trees. All the trees.
Yes, how does it help us?
Giving shade, ma'am.
Very good. It gives us shade, it gives us food, it gives us medicine. It is the home of so many birds and animals, right? Even monkeys also live on trees, right? Okay, so it helps so many of them in different ways. Okay, is it possible to grow a tree in front of every house? Is it possible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, it is possible. Emmanuel, it is possible to grow trees. One tree in every house, in front of every house. I'm not saying inside your house, if you do not have space, no problem, but at least outside. You will see that even the government also has taken the initiative of planting trees, right? Okay, they will come and they'll plant the trees and they'll put a fence around it so that it grows. Okay, so it is possible to grow trees in front of every house. Okay, next one. The rhyming words in the poem, you need to copy down these sentences in your notebooks and fill in the blanks. Okay, all these I will be giving you the notes. First one, the rhyming words in the poem are, what are the rhyming words given? This you can write it down. You have space in your textbook. Write down. Yes, write down. A, you have tall.
Excuse me,
Yes, I.
tall. Ma'am, it's a tall, small.
Very good. Tall, small. B is breeze. Where, rare.
SMALL.
Okay.
SM.
First one is tall. The rhyming word for tall is small. Second one, bees.
Small.
For bees is breeze. Okay.
Yes.
Yes. Bees.
Third one, bear.
This.
Air. And the last one,
BREEZ.
everywhere and air.
Breathe. BAREAIR. Everywhere.
Yes.
EVERY.
EVERYWHERY. Everywhere. Okay, everywhere. The rhyming word for that is air. AIR.
AIR.
Okay, all of you have written all the four?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay, next second one. Trees are home for dash and dash. Trees are home for birds and
Monkey.
bees. Okay, in the poem it is given. Okay. Second one, in the first dash, write BIRDS, birds and bees. BIRDS, birds.
Yes. D.
Okay, birds in the first dash, write birds. In the second dash, write bees. BEES, bees.
Yes. Bees. Change dash.
T dash has.
Cool.
Excuse
me,
Yes, Sai Saprish.
Oh, Miss
Yes.
Cool.
I'm sorry, yes, bear and air. It actually rhymes with everything. Bear and air, everywhere and there.
Cool.
COOL
Okay, all of you all have written?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes. Yes, Sonakshi.
Ma'am, C1 what, ma'am?
Bear, S. BARE, bear.
Yes, ma'am.
AIR, air.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, shall I erase the board? All of you have finished this?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. Now next one. Next third, not third one. Yeah, third one. Trees dash and dash the air. Trees
Cool, clean.
cool and clean the air. Okay. Third one, in the first dash, write COOL. Cool. Write COOL. Cool. And clean. 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 Trees cool and clean the air.
Cool and clean.
Clean the air. Okay.
Clean the area. For the Paris of opposites in the poem are for the
Okay, all of you all have written?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay, next fourth one, the pairs of opposites in the poem are. Okay. Now here in the poem, if you see, what is the opposite of short?
Long.
Large.
Small.
In A, write SHORT. Short. Large.
Yes, what?
SHORT. Short.
O-R-T. Short.
Short.
Large.
LARGE. Large. Okay. Next B. Tall.
Tall.
Opposite of tall is
Tall.
small.
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 Small. Tall. Small. Okay. Next third one. Lush.
Lush.
Opposite of lush is
Bare.
bare. Very good. BARE. Bare. Okay. Lush means it is in plenty. Bare means it is scanty. Okay.
Yes,
Yes,
Lush. Bare. And the last one. Everywhere. What is the opposite of everywhere?
नहीं रहा
What is the opposite of everywhere, children?
Air.
Rare. Very good. Opposite of everywhere is rare. R-A-R-E.
Everywhere.
air.
A-R-E.
Okay, all of you all have written?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Did you all understand the poem Trees?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. Now for your FA4, which are the I'm sorry, for your FA3, which are the lessons that you all had, ma? For your FA3 test?
FA3 test, ma'am.
Yes. Your SA2 portions basically.
We was having puppies for sale. We was having puppies for sale, 3 friends, and Kali and the rat snake, ma'am.
Puppies for sale, Ali and the rat snake. And did you have the pig won't let me watch TV?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so was kindness to animals done? Did man do kindness to animals, or since it was deleted, it was not done, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then for your SA2 portions, okay, for your final exam, okay, I will write also and send, but please make note of this. For your literature, okay, you have lesson unit 6, puppies for sale, unit 7, Kali and the rat snake, the poem My Pig Won't Let Me Watch TV, then unit 8, the 3 friends, poem Nobody's Friend, and then unit 9, magnificent success story of Mary Kom, and the poem Mummy's Darling, and the last one, unit 10, Who's Blessed, and the poem Trees. Okay, from this you have to learn Mummy's Darling or Trees. Okay, you need to learn both the poems by heart. Yes, I Saprish.
Can you say 1 second, ma'am?
You have from unit 6 to 10, you have everything, all the lessons and poems except for the poem Kindness to Animals. Okay, only that poem has been deleted, but the rest of it you have.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
yes, and you have to by heart both these poems. Okay, Mummy's Darling and Trees. From these two, any one poem will come for your final exam. Okay, learn both the poems by heart, but notes given on all the lessons, please, on all the lessons and poems, learn. Okay, grammar portions I will be giving you. Okay, this is your portions for your English literature. Okay, grammar portions I will write and I will send. You'll understand, children. You'll have any doubt? Okay, fine. Yes, if you do not have any doubt, then we can wind up the class. Okay. Yes.
Which poem,
Poem number 9 and 10, Mummy's Darling and Trees, for by hearting. Okay, you need to memorize these two poems. You also have the other poems, but from those you will only get question and answers or meanings, whatever is given. Okay, but for these two, Mummy's Darling and Trees, you have to memorize them as well. Okay, not just the notes, you need to memorize the poem. Learn the meanings, whatever is given. Along with that, also learn, memorize the poem. Do you understand?
ma'am?
Yes. Yes. Do you have any doubt?